Hi friends, welcome to Kalpana's Kitchen. Today is the third Shravani Somvar, that is Shravan Mahina third Monday, and today's sweet dish I'll be preparing is called shev. Okay, this is again a very typical Pathir Prabhu recipe, and the ingredients for this shev is okay. First, what you require for the shev? You require for the laddu. You have that laddu dabbana with the water inside. I put in some water here, and I'll be keeping the. This is one thing you require for. Then you require the shevara, and you get in the market small ones also. But this is presented to me by my mother-in-law, a very traditional one. Okay. Now the ingredients. I've taken rice flour. This is a special rice, basmati rice flour. So 2 cups I've taken like this. Then I've taken water. I've taken 1.5 cup of water, okay, and then I'll require 1 tablespoon ghee. I've taken. I've just get the water to boil. 1 tablespoon ghee and half tablespoon I'll be taking oil. Okay, half tablespoon oil and a pinch of salt, just a pinch. Now the water is, I kept it on, the fire was on, so the water is boiling now. I will take this rice flour. This is how you prepare for this modak laddu. Similar. Okay, I see that the rice flour has absorbed all the water. And now I will keep it so. See, all the rice flour has absorbed the water, right? And I will just keep it on slow for 2 minutes. Okay, as you have seen, I have mixed the flour, rice flour with water. There is ghee in this, oil, and a pinch of salt. Okay, I'll try and make. It's very hot, so I've applied ghee on my hand. Okay, I'll be just making small balls out of this and keeping it to steam in this. I'll be keeping it to steam, and say 5 minutes I'll steam this, and then I will take the shev. It's hot, so you have to be careful. See. Okay. Now I've already started the fire here. It's the water is boiling inside here, and now I will make similar balls like that and keep it to steam. I've kept it just for 5 minutes, and you can see it's steaming there. Now these I will bring the shevara. Okay. You keep a plate down. I have kept banana leaf there. We will not keep that. Okay. Coming? Yeah, 1 minute. Ek karte na. Oh, you need a second hand here to help you with this. You have to move this. Yeah? Okay, my son is helping me with this. So, thumb for 1%. Okay. You can see this shev. Cut it from there. Yeah. Now this shev we will have with milk. I've added sugar in this, and I've added sugar, and I'll be adding this cardamom powder, and so it's sweet, and the shave is now fresh, made like that. Now I'll keep on making. Now this is all ready to eat. Okay. You have to go on making shave like that. Uh, it's very yummy and very light, Mama. And some people like to, instead of milk, they use coconut milk. So in coconut milk, if you're using coconut milk, then you have to add sugar, of course, in that, and little rice flour to make the coconut milk little thick. But in my house, we like it with milk. So I've made with milk now. And now I will be, similar process I will be doing for all these other. I'll put up the rest. So I hope you enjoy the, try this out, and let me know. Bye.